Nice niggas never running, cause we been thuggin'. How'd you watch it, tuck the train? Better I'm up again. I ain't talking Jackie Rob, my Jack and Rob, I'm up okay. Give me dough and give me guap. If he front, then give him shot. Like a doctor over there, bitch, my head, I did it pop. Saki niggas getting that, then your mama love my rap. That's your one, I cop a feel, but they be giving no respect. Hold his elbow right on test, riding in the stolen car. Backseat playing Pokemon, your girlfriend giving wobble fat. Spiffy jam, don't see initial like middle name. When your pockets, the reds coming crazy, bro, yeah, I been dugging. Harmonize when I spit, saying niggas mad in my clique. Bustin', watch whoever you diss, cause niggas don't get this. I don't sippin' purple in the rain, on that bread sign. Walk around and I pray, say, catch me in the example, up in the slot. I can see no handles. New York niggas, king of the raps, the wind, I got the only crap. Turn up the height, turn up the fit, turn up the west side niggas. Never running cause they been thuggin'. East side niggas never running cause we been thuggin'. East Coast niggas never running cause we been thuggin'. G Coast niggas never running cause we been thuggin'. East side niggas never running cause they been thuggin'. West side niggas never running cause we been thuggin'. Bed-Stuy niggas never running cause we been thuggin'. Crown Heights niggas never running cause we been thuggin'. I had dreams. With choppers in hand, but if he front, back 100 to pop at your man. Like for real, what you say? They like it a mob, but like it a day. Pull your card to play your club. Doesn't get diamonds, Lisa Ray. Charles to the competition, they ain't seeing me no way. Piece of cake when I'm on these beats. Pray for my family, they on these streets. Cause y'all people hate that applaud, they Greek. Put a knife in your back and it's all they keep. So faith that the Lord is all I keep. When I step outside the crib, cause I'm rather watch you die and give you time and let you live. They say Jimmy finger flipping, but they diss it from the distance. So I swear it doesn't matter, I'ma kill my inhibitions. I won't blow is what they wishing, but I'm gifted like it's Christmas. So I swear it doesn't matter, I'ma kill my inhibitions. Get hundreds on tuition and flip it, bricks up in that kitchen. So I swear it doesn't matter, I'ma kill my inhibitions. If your professor is snitching or your PO just be snitching, man, I swear it doesn't matter, but just kill your inhibitions. I have dreams to sell out a show one day, somewhere nice, my eyes on lights, blue, white lights in the golden stage, and while on smashing the pros who pay, show support, be glad to see, but I had to be a Brooklyn native who raps supreme as a casualty, will casually, I know it, a poet who flows atrocious, ain't another youngin' on planet Earth, who's this precocious, my cunning focus, the dopest and purest form of hypnosis, all these rappers gotta listen to all my music doses, damn. You see the way I kinda with the knowledge, so they hate when I leave text on paper like condoms in your wallet. I be wildin', cause I know it's not important than a dollar sign. When the ladies asking for your name on the dotted line, they say I'm for $500,000, a lot of rappers swallow pride on the highway to hell and whips and chains, enjoy the ride. So when I get signed, I'ma do what I can just to prove that I am told that I stand on the man with the man with the motherfucking list of the man's old girl. They say Jimmy finger flipping, but they dissing from a distance. So I swear it doesn't matter, I'ma kill my inhibitions. Paying hundreds for tuition, but they break up in that kitchen. So I swear it doesn't matter, I'ma kill my inhibitions. Paying hundreds on tuition, flipping bricks up in that kitchen. Man, I swear it doesn't matter, I'ma kill my inhibitions. Your professor is bitching, or your PO just be stretching. Man, I swear it doesn't matter, bro, just kill your inhibitions.